Welcome to the I'm show how to change screen recorder sound settings into Emporia SMART.5. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down and find this button screen recorder in this block. Next step, press and hold like this and drag to top for add. Now for saving your editing, click back. Now when we add screen record button, press and hold it a half of second, and here we got before start our recording screen recorder panel. So here we got microphone icon, so it's our sound settings. Now it's activate microphone sound, and if we tap one more time, we disable record microphone sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.